To fix connection issues on the Huawei Watch Fit 4, well, let's quickly go into the Huawei Health application, and from here we will go for the devices, and right here go for the Huawei Watch Fit 4. Scroll down and there is this function, Watch Connection Protection, and as we go in there we simply have to enable the ignore battery optimization for the Huawei Health application, so this application will be able to run in the background and all the notifications and other stuff will be received normally. And here is the little description of what it actually does. And this configures the following settings to improve the device connection and battery life to make the step count, sleep and other fitness and health data more accurate, as you can see. So basically all you simply have to do if you are having these connection issues, let's tap on this one, and from here you have to allow this application to run in the background. So press this allow button right here, and from here now this function is actually enabled, has been set for this application. And if you actually want to disable this function, you can go to settings to disable this feature, and that's basically how to do this.